Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. This video will show you about how does solar power work. And do you know the solar is the clean energy. How does solar power work? Solar power work by converting energy from the sun into power. There are two forms of energy generated from the sun for our use: electricity and heat. Both are generated through the use of solar panel, which range in size from residential rooftop to solar farm stretching over acres of rural land. Is solar power a clean energy source? Yes, solar power is a renewable and infinite energy source that creates no harmful greenhouse gas emission as long as the sun continues to shine. Energy will be released. The carbon footprint of solar panel is already quite small, as they last for over 25 years, plus the material used in the panel. Are increasingly recycled, so the carbon footprint will continue to shrink. When was solar power discovered? Solar energy was used by humans as early as the 7th century BC, when humans used sunlight to light fire by reflecting the sun rays onto shiny objects. Later in 3rd century BC, the Greek and Roman harnessed solar power with mirror to light torches for religious ceremony. In 1839, and at the age of just 19, French physicist Edmond Becquerel discovered the photovoltaic PV effect while experimenting with a cell made of metal electrode in a conducting solution. He noted that the cell produced more electricity when it was exposed to light. It was a photovoltaic cell. In 1954, PV technology was born when Gary Chapin, Calvin Fuller, and Gerald Pearson developed the silicon PV cell at Bell Labs in 1954. The first solar cell capable of absorbing and converting enough of the sun energy into power to run everyday electrical equipment. Today, satellite spacecraft orbiting Earth are powered by solar energy. How exactly is electricity from solar energy produced? Solar panels are usually made from silicon or another semiconductor material installed in a metal panel frame with a glass casing. When this material is exposed to photon of sunlight, very small packet of energy, it releases electron and produce an electric charge. This PV charge creates an electric current, specifically direct current or DC, which is captured by the wiring in solar panel. Its DC electricity is then converted to alternating current AC by an inverter. AC is the type of electrical current used when you plug appliance into normal wall socket. What's the difference between solar PV panel and solar thermal panel? Solar PV panel generate electricity as described above, while solar thermal panel generates heat while the energy source is the same. The technology in each system is different. Solar PV is based on the photovoltaic effect by which a photon, the basic unit of light, impact a semiconductor surface like silicon and generate the release of an electron. Solar thermal is less sophisticated and simply the direct heating of water or other fluid by sunlight. For domestic use, solar thermal panels are also installed on roof, reflecting the sun, heating water stored in a hot water cylinder, and so providing hot water and heating on a larger scale. Solar thermal can also be used in power stations. What are solar farms? Solar farms, also known as solar parks for solar field, are large areas of land containing interconnected solar panels positioned together over many acres to harvest large amount of solar energy at the same time. Solar farm as designed for large-scale solar energy generation that fit directly into the grid as opposed to individual solar panel that usually power a single home or building. Can solar power be generated on a cloudy day? Yes, it can. Solar power only require some level of daylight on order to harness the sun energy that set the rate at which solar panel generate electricity does vary depending on the amount of direct sunlight and the quality, size, number and location of panel in use. Who are the largest producer of solar power worldwide? As of 2022, China is the largest producer of solar power electricity generation in the world. The US comes in second, followed by Japan, Germany, and India. How is more solar power being brought into our electricity system? Both the UK and US government are aiming to decarbonize their electricity system by 2035, in which renewable energy sources like solar power are set to play a major part. Solar energy in the UK. The UK first transmission connect solar farm as energy in May 2023. This was the first PV solar array to feed electricity directly into the UK transmission network, allowing it to be transported over greater distance. Previously, UK solar farms were connected to the country distribution network, the lower voltage regional grid that carry power from the high voltage transmission network to home and business. Look at near Bristol. The solar plant is expected to generate over 23,000 megawatt-hour MWH, annually, enough to power the equivalent of over 17 and 300 the 300 home and will dispatch 20 and 20,000 and 500 ton of CO2 each year compared to traditional energy production. The UK government powering up Brighton report has reaffirmed its ambition for a five-fold increase in deployment of solar generation by 2035, with up to 20 gigawatt installed, enough to power around 20 million homes. Solar energy in the US. The Solar Future study released by the US Department of Energy DOE in 2021 discussed their blueprint for a zero carbon grid and the significant role solar will play in decarbonizing the country power grid. According to the study, 40% of the nation's electricity has the potential to be powered by solar energy by 2035. In April 2023, the Biden-Harris administration announced an $82 million investment to fund technology that will help integrate solar energy into the grid. The investment will increase domestic solar manufacturing and recycling, which will help to strengthen the clean energy grid in the US. What is green energy? And what the difference between green energy, renewable energy, and clean energy? Often, these terms are used interchangeably, but there are some difference. One thing that green, clean, and renewable energy all have in common is that they are being increasingly used to generate electricity in order to phase out the use of fossil fuel like coal and gas, which are a key cause of climate change. What is the definition of green energy? Green energy is energy that can be produced using a method and from a source that cause no harm to the natural environment. What's the difference between green energy and renewable energy? The term green energy and renewable energy are often used interchangeable, apply, but there is one essential and sometimes confusing difference between them. While most green energy sources are also renewable, not all renewable energy sources are considered entirely green. Renewable energy comes from sources that are constantly and naturally renew, hence the name, such as wind power and solar power. Renewable energy is also often called sustainable energy. A renewable energy source may not be considered green. If, for example, some carbon emissions are associated with the process used to generate the energy, such as the building of infrastructure. What the difference between green energy and clean energy? Clean energy is energy that, when used, create little or no greenhouse gas emission. As with renewable energy, some type of clean energy may not always be considered entirely green. Here are an easy way to differentiate between clean energy, green energy, and renewable energy. Clean energy, clean air. Green energy, no harm to the environment. Renewable energy, source that replenish naturally, such as the sun and the wind. Okay. What are the different types of renewable energy? With the UK and US aiming to reach net zero by 2050 using electricity that comes from renewable sources is essential to help reduce our carbon emission. Each type of renewable energy contribute different amount to our electricity mix. Alongside non-renewable energy types such as fossil fuel or nuclear energy. Find out about the different types of renewable energy sources that we currently use for electricity and how they be used in the future to help further tackle climate change. What is renewable energy. Renewable energy is energy that comes from a source that won't run out. They are natural and self-replenishing and usually have a low or zero carbon footprint. Examples of renewable energy sources include wind power, solar power, bioenergy, organic matter burned as a fuel, and hydroelectric, including tidal energy. Burning fossil fuel to create electricity has long been a major contributor in the emission of greenhouse gas into our atmosphere. So does renewable short consider vital in the race to take called climate change. The most common renewable energy source in the UK, there are four main sources of renewable energy. Wind power is the largest producer of renewable electricity in both the UK and the US. Onshore and offshore wind farm generate electricity by spinning the blade of wind turbine. The footprint convert the kinetic energy of the spinning blade into electric energy by turning a drive shaft and gearbox, which is connected to a generator. Electricity is then converted into higher voltage and fed into the national grid. Solar. Sunlight is one of the planet's most freely available energy resources, which our sun will make it the number one source of renewable energy. But of course, the amount of sunlight we get can vary greatly depend on location, season, and time of day. Solar power generates electricity by capturing sunlight on solar panel in a joint chemical and physical reaction known as the photovoltaic effect or PV. Hydroelectric Hydroelectric hydropower is created using the movement of flowing or falling water. Hydroelectric power plants are formed at dams and generate electricity through underwater turbines that turn a generator. Hydropower also encompasses whale and tidal power, which rely on ocean flood to generate electricity at the mouth of large body of water using similar technology. Bioenergy. Electricity can be generated when organic matter is burned as a fuel source. The fuel are known as biomass and include anything from plant to timber or food waste, carbon dioxide, CO2 is emitted when bioenergy is made, but the fuel source are considered renewable because they can be reground and absorb as much carbon as they emit across their lifespan. What are non-renewable energy sources? Fossil fuels such as coal, natural gas, and oil are examples of non-renewable energy sources. The source can occur naturally, but they are finite in their amount. A disadvantage of non-renewable energy sources is that they often take hundreds of thousands of years to form and have to be extracted from the earth and burned in order to create the energy that generates electricity. They also emit harmful greenhouse gas like CO2 then they are burned. That are the benefits of renewable energy. There are several reasons why harnessing the power of renewable energy sources is so important for our future, as they in much more plentiful supply compared to fossil fuel. Governments across the world are looking to develop renewable to exclusively power the nation. Perhaps most importantly, renewable to use little or no harmful emission when used, so the clean energy they provide will play a crucial role in preventing further global warming. It why so many of our net zero goal in the future hing on increasing the use today. Okay, thank you very much for your time and see you next video. Have a nice day.